Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys. If you have a Hyundai Santa Fe, you need to locate where the oil pressure sensor switch is located, how to remove it, how to replace it. Stay with us and we're going to cover everything that you need to know guys about that oil pressure sensor or oil pressure switch. Now, you don't need to remove your engine to do that. Simply we have the engine out because we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. And with the engine being out, we can show you everything with a great detail, where every little bitty body is located and how to remove every component and how to replace things, fix your Hyundai Santa Fe on your own. So let's start on it now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine, okay, will be completely taken apart. Transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, okay, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, okay, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. Now guys, this is the engine, 2.4 GDI engine out of a 2013 Hyundai right here guys. It has been used in multiple Hyundai vehicles, even Kia vehicles as well. And you guys hope that you don't have a bad oil pressure sensor switch, because it will require actually quite a bit of work to get to it. And we will explain why. So let's cover that today. So if you look at it now here guys, okay, what you're going to see, we're missing the intake manifold. You will actually have to remove the intake manifold to get to the oil pressure, okay, oil pressure sensor. Otherwise, it's almost, guys, impossible to remove and replace that sensor. Now, some of you guys, okay, some of you probably know how to remove intake manifold. If you do not know how to remove it, we have a special video that's going to teach you that step by step guys, how to remove intake manifold on Hyundai Santa Fe. So please check it out. It will be on our channel and you can see everything that you need to know to remove the intake manifold. Once you remove the intake manifold, you have your engine starter here. Direct fuel injection is right here, as you can see. You have this is the fuel pressure sensor for the direct injection. You have a NOx sensor underneath, and if you look right here guys, that sensor right here, that's the oil pressure sensor. So you need to press that thing down, okay, and pull the wire, and that sensor guys, that's what, okay, that's what we're talking about. So you will need a 24mm deep socket and get on top of the sensor. Okay, let me try to turn the light on, back on, okay, and now you just start getting it loose guys. And once you get it loose, okay, that sensor will come out. Okay, you may leak some oil out, so be prepared. And I'll definitely guys recommend to watch the video for the intake manifold removal, because we talk how to avoid guys actually getting, okay, not to cause damage to the engine computer, because the starter is here and there are things, safety procedures that you need to follow. And this is your oil pressure sensor switch guys. That's where it's located. That's how you remove it. If you guys want to see, okay, where you can get one from for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and we'll share it for your convenience. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.